Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to elevating your living space, inside and out. Today, we're venturing outdoors to explore a culinary oasis, the outdoor kitchen with a big green egg and tips for decorating cozy and beautiful outdoor kitchen space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Let's begin by defining this exciting concept. An outdoor kitchen with a big green egg is a dedicated space for alfresco cooking, centered around the iconic big green egg, a kamado-style charcoal grill renowned for its versatility and exceptional heat retention. This isn't just a grill station, it's a complete outdoor entertaining haven, often featuring additional appliances, countertops, storage, and comfortable seating. The benefits of an outdoor kitchen with a big green egg are numerous. First, versatility. The big green egg isn't just for grilling. Its exceptional temperature control allows for smoking, baking, roasting, and even pizza making, transforming your outdoor space into a culinary playground. Second, year-round use. Unlike traditional grills, the big green egg's ceramic construction excels in all weather conditions, letting you grill year-round. Third, entertainment central. An outdoor kitchen becomes the natural hub for gatherings. Friends and family can congregate, socialize, and enjoy delicious meals cooked right before their eyes. Fourth, increased property value. A well-designed outdoor kitchen adds significant value to your property, especially if it boasts a high-quality appliance like the big green egg. Now that you're convinced of the benefits, let's delve into design inspiration. Here's the compilation of top 10 best outdoor kitchen with big green egg ideas. 1. Built-in perfection. Seamlessly integrate your big green egg into a custom-built counter, creating a sleek and unified aesthetic. 2. Island paradise. Create a central island that houses the big green egg, additional appliances, storage, and a bar area for an all-in-one entertaining haven. 3. Rustic charm. Embrace natural elements like stone countertops and wood cabinetry for a warm and inviting atmosphere. 4. Modern marvel. Opt for sleek stainless steel appliances and clean lines for a contemporary feel. 5. Pizza perfection. Add a dedicated pizza oven attachment to your big green egg, creating an authentic pizzeria experience in your backyard. 6. Storage savvy. Don't forget ample storage for grilling tools, spices, and accessories. Built-in drawers and cabinets ensure a clutter-free space. 7. Seating for all. Include comfortable seating options like bar stools, a dining table, or a lounge area to accommodate all your guests. 8. Weather protection. Consider a retractable awning or pergola to offer shade and shelter from the elements. 9. Lighting design. Strategic lighting, including string lights and task lighting, creates ambience and ensures safety after dark. 10. Greenery galore. Add potted plants and herbs for a touch of nature and a pop of color. Just keep in mind, when decorating your outdoor kitchen, consider these factors. First, style. Choose a style that complements your home's architecture and your personal taste. Second, materials. Opt for outdoor-friendly materials like weatherproof fabrics, stainless steel, and weather-resistant wood. Third, functionality. Balance aesthetics with functionality. Furniture should be comfortable and weatherproof, while decor should be easy to maintain. Here are some key furnishings to complete your outdoor kitchen. 1. Countertops. Choose durable and weather-resistant options like granite, concrete, or stainless steel. 2. Seating. Comfortable bar stools, dining chairs, or a sectional sofa, depending on your space and entertaining needs. 3. Storage. Built-in cabinets, drawers, or a rolling cart to keep grilling essentials organized. Now that you've seen the possibilities, it's time to get started on designing your dream outdoor kitchen with a big green egg. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring design ideas to elevate your outdoor space. In the comments below, let us know what excites you most about creating your own outdoor kitchen. Is it the versatility of the big green egg, the potential for year-round entertaining, or simply the joy of cooking outdoors? We love hearing from our viewers. We hope this video has ignited your inspiration for creating your own outdoor haven. Remember, with careful planning and these design tips, you can transform your backyard into a space that fosters culinary creativity, memorable gatherings, and lasting memories. Until next time, happy designing! Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.